The conspiracy of attacking China with COVID-19 was openly declared to all the Illuminati gangsters around the world in Masonic Argo in the 2012 London Olympic opening ceremony. So I have made this 12-minute video to interpret their video messages to you, but YouTube blocked the video as soon as it was uploaded. The video is now available on BitChute. The link to the video will be posted in the description box of this video. You may also view or download the video in my Google Drive with this link, which is also posted in the description box of this video. Rejoice in the truth always. Rejoice.